Korean etiquette. Let's learn it, right? Respect for all. Let's go. 애들 say 안녕하세요. To your friends say 안녕. Bow your head with respect. 고개를 숙이다. Shake their hands and say hello. 악수하다. In Korea, respect is the key. Bow your head in the proper way. Never keeping the value. Smile and welcome everyone. The Korea with love. When you see an elder, 먼저 인사하다. Be the first to say hello. Eat your meal so quietly. 조용히 먹다. Step by step, we learn it all. To say thank you, 감사합니다. To say sorry, 죄송합니다.